Hi, welcome to my Tunes. Today we're going to draw Plum from Plum Landing. Grab your marker and follow along with me. So we're going to start with the outline of Plum. We're going to start right up here and I'm going to draw a plum shape or maybe a heart shape. I'm going to stop right there, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. So I'll probably start here at the bottom. You can start at the top if you want, and I'm just going to make it nice and curvy and bring the line back. Now I want to keep an opening here, so what I'll do is I'll start here at the bottom, make a slight curve down, curve it up, and again leave two little marks open because it's for her arms. Now let's draw Plum's arms. I'm going to start up on top. And I'll just draw an arm going up, and on this side I'm going to start here and I'll draw this arm bending a bit down as well. Good. And then on top there's a little stem. I'll just draw a stem like that. There we go, and there's a stem on top. Now we can start with the eyes and the mouth. First I'm going to start with the mouth, and I'm just going to draw a smile, and then right here at the bottom we're going to draw her mouth open. We're going to start off to the side and you're going to draw teeth, and then behind the teeth her tongue. There we go. And now we can draw her eyes. I'm going to start here at the corner of the mouth, and I'm just going to make a nice curvy line and I let it curve upwards. And on this side I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to curve it upwards as well. And now we can do the top part of the eye. Sort of an almond shape, and I'll do the same on this side as well. And now we can draw the pupils and the irises. So I'll just start right here, a pupil, and of course we'll do the light reflection. Another pupil with the light reflection. Let's fill the pupils in. And lastly, let's do the irises. Right there. And we can draw another iris right here. And there's Plum. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.